So for section 5.4, we're talking about writing proofs for showing that triangles are congruent, okay? So this is kind of going back to some of the stuff we were talking about in Unit 3 with writing proofs. This time we're going to be more specific about writing proofs showing triangle congruency. So on your 5.4 worksheet, this is number 1. Given that segment AB and segment CD are congruent, and you're also given that angle ABD and angle CDB are congruent. Okay, so those are marked in black in the original image. And so we're asked to prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. So as you can see, we are given the statements and we're just asked to fill in what the reasons are. Okay, so for number 1, the first statement is AB congruent to CD and angle ABD congruent to angle CDB. That is our given statement. That is why our reason that we have this statement is because it is given to us. Okay, so now from here, the next thing I'm going to have is BD congruent to BD. Okay, so if you notice right here, BD is its diagonal side. And as you'll notice, both triangles share side BD. That's why we see the statement here, BD is congruent to BD. This is saying like the BD in triangle ABD is congruent to the BD in triangle CBD. So if we know that these two, they share this side, we know that to be because of the reflexive side. This right here, side BD, is the reflexive side of these two triangles. And so now we can say that those two are congruent. And so now we can think about which of these triangle congruency proofs makes sense based off the information we're given. And as you can notice, we have side, angle, side. So because of that, triangle ABD is going to be congruent to triangle CDB because of side, angle, side congruence. Side, angle, side.